Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I wanted to share with you all a couple of really cute simple, beginner friendly, some of them crochet patterns that I found recently on Instagram. And I didn't really know that Instagram had so many free patterns, and lately a lot of people have been a little more generous. Like when they reach milestones on Instagram, they tend to give or release free patterns. And so today I wanted to share with you all a couple of those patterns that I found. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so before we get started, I don't really have these patterns ordered like from most beginner friendly to like the most difficult. So if you see one that you like, I'll have it here linked, and as I talk through them, I'll have them linked in that order. But let's get started. The first pattern that I have on my list, by the way, all of these will be listed in the description down below, but I have recently been into the whole like kawaii, cute amigurumi plushies. So, and I know those are like the easiest for beginners to catch on with. So I first found this like cute capybara, and it is so cute because the head is kind of like unproportionately big. So the tiny little arms and body just makes it that much more perfect. I don't know. The next one is for Valentine's. This one is a love bug pattern, and I think it's just the cutest little thing for Valentine's. It also is really simple to work up with. It's no sew, which I freaking love. Saves so much time, I think. This next one is a simple little baby bunny pattern. I keep seeing a lot of these like baby bunny patterns. I think these would be really cute for like little kid gifts or like baby gifts. They would look really cute probably in like nurseries, stuff like that. Alright, this next one is so cute. I kind of freaked out when I saw this one, and I couldn't click save any faster, but it is a Junimo plushie. If you play animal, any sort of like farming games on the Switch, you definitely know what this one is, but this one is from Stardew Valley, and I don't know, I just freaked out. And if you game, you'll definitely love this one. The next one is also for gamers. It is a little Kirby sitting on a little star, and I don't know, whenever it comes to Kirby, I freak out. I feel like everyone should know who Kirby is, and that one is a definite like on my list to do. Next, I have this little puppy, and this one looks really cute. Make sure to use like a kind of like fluffy type of yarn. Fluffy yarn is a little more difficult to work with when you're trying to see your stitches, so it might not be too beginner friendly, but this one would definitely be really cute. The next one is a koi fish, and I just love the design, the way it looks, because you know we're here in Japan. Well, I'm here in Japan, and it's just one of those things that like stands out to you. And the next one is also very Japanese-ish. If you know the sweets, not specifically Japanese, but I think Korean maybe, the dango sweets. Yeah, it's a little frog stacked up on top of each other, and it's like fits so well with the whole kawaii plushie theme, I think so. And this next one is a little frog berry. They kind of combined like a strawberry and a frog together, and the bottom leaf pad kind of gives like the vibes that it's like the little leaf, the stem, but I don't know, this one is like, I don't know, it's just so freaking cute. I can't believe the things that people make on Instagram and for free. Like, take advantage, guys. So the next one is the little berries, but like it's meant to be like cherries, so like bears and cherries, berries, yeah. So I don't know, this one is really cute. If you guys are making any of these type of patterns, make sure to grab yourself a couple of felt colors, different colors of felt, so that you guys can cut out little eyes and mouths and stick them on. I feel like they make the plushies look 10 times better. This next one is for my Pokemon lovers. This is a free Ditto pattern, and I don't know, I feel like this one would definitely sell really well at like different markets, especially for people that game, because Pokemon is like known amongst almost everybody. So okay, this next one is a pocket frog, and this one is beginner friendly, and it looks really small and easy, quick to finish up and do, which is what a lot of beginners are mostly wanting to do. That way, you know, they aren't stuck with this project that's taking years to finish. Next, we have this Pancake souffle kitties. They're so cute because like you stack them on top of each other, and I feel like you can make multiple of these with different faces on each one stacked up on top of each other. I don't know, it's just, you can do so much with this one. This next one is it's from Kiki's Delivery Service. If you watch anime or any of the Studio Ghibli movies, you'll definitely know where it's from. But it's just a simple little pouch. You know, this one I feel like would get you really into the groove of making tiny little things that you add on to your crochet project. So great practice for that. This next one is another Pokemon favorite, Jigglypuff. It is a mini one, so of course it's very easy to work up on. Should be really fast to work up on. And this next one is little penguins, little baby penguins. I feel like if you do this one with like fluffy yarn, it'll look 10 times better. So next, I have a little favorite for my Sanrio lovers, is a Pompompurin and Cinnamoroll plushies. This one is kind of like a 2-in-1 pattern because the bodies are done the same. It's the tiny little details that like makes them separate from each other, but this one is a great 2-in-1. This next one is again for my Sanrio lovers. This one is more of like a little card holder or like a picture holder more of, and I think this one you could probably fit like Polaroids in maybe. And it is a 3-in-1. You can customize it for pochacco, Cinnamoroll, and chiffon. Again, another Sanrio pattern is, this one is just like a simple Hello Kitty plush. And again, make sure to get yourself a couple of felt colors, that way you can cut it out, and for the eyes and the nose, just to make the whole plushie look 10 times better. Okay, another little plushie that I would just love for like a little baby or something, I don't know. This one is a little donut bear, and I feel like this one you could probably get done within an hour or probably less if you crochet fast. But this one is so freaking cute. I love it. This next one you have probably seen everywhere literally, but it is the infamous turtle. And this one is actually a strawberry edition where the shell is a little strawberry. But of course, if you just want to make a regular turtle, just leave out the leaf pattern and there you go. Okay, this next one is a free beaver. Normally, I wouldn't really consider beavers cute, but the way they did it, holding a little strawberry, it's just, I don't know. It's something about these like little cute kawaii like patterns that people are making recently that are just going so well. I don't know. This next one is so cute. I think it's next on my list, but it is a bear puff. Literally a puff and a bear. So it is so freaking cute, and for this one you would definitely need like a white piece of felt or like a white soft cloth or something, and you could like hand embroider the face for it. Super cute. This next one is for my BTS lovers. I'm not really too obsessed, you know. I like some of their songs, but I feel like this one is really easy, and it's super iconic for everyone to know. You know, if you see this anywhere, you know where it's from. So this next one is super cute, and it's like such a cute little trio of like a bear, a rabbit, type of like boba drinks, and again you'll be needing like a couple of brown pieces of cloth to show like the boba inside of the cup. This next one is again for my Pokemon lovers, where we are doing Sylveon. And this one, you definitely need a lot of colors incorporated, but the end product is super cute. And I love when people make patterns like this for free, and usually something like this is like paid for, but this is a little more intricate, and I don't know, it's such a good pattern. This next one is great for being sold at like farmers markets. It is a little duo of carrots, and I know carrots aren't really like the most cutest thing, but the way they did it here is like they're so freaking cute, like little farmer carrots. I don't know. This next one is again for my Studio Ghibli fans. I know if you hear the word Totoro, you know where it's from, or you have got to know what at least it looks like. But this one is super cute. It's super tiny, and again, it's like the perfect little thing to like add to your desk or your office space. I don't know. This next one is again super cute for Valentine's Day maybe coming up, for the viral like crochet bouquets that everyone has been seeing. This one gives you a tutorial on how to do the actual tulip itself, and it's super simple, and the way they used it with like fluffier yarn rather than just like the regular acrylic yarn looks super cute as well. Okay, the next one is a little jellyfish, and these are always really cute. I love to do the tentacles like way longer than what the actual pattern says. That's just personal preference, because I just like when you hang them they like extend even longer, and when you do them different sizes, so cute. Okay, this next one is another little flower pattern, and this one is a lily of the valley, and I actually did these ones for the little lights that I have hanging around me, and these are super cute to work up, and I actually added them to a string of lights, so that is also another idea that you guys can do instead. This next one is a regular little bunny pattern, and I feel like there's so many different bunny or bear patterns that I like to incorporate some of them if I can. That way it gives you guys some versatility and different options of what you guys can make. I don't know, maybe you can even combine them or something. But this next one is another little bear type of thing where he has like his head in the clouds, and I think this one is super cute for like nurseries maybe even. And this next one is a little raccoon. I actually have never really seen anyone create a pattern for a raccoon other than this one, but it's super cute and it's well written. You just need, of course, to prepare yourself with a couple of different colors to get everything together. Okay. Another pattern, I don't really know if you don't live in Japan, if you're outside of Japan, I don't really know if you'll know this character too much, but you'll probably have seen him somewhere around maybe. But this is Molang, and he is covered in like a little deer costume. Super cute. And next we have another little Sanrio pattern with Keroppi and pochacco, and I love the fact that they're sitting on this like little leaf lily pad. It's super cute, and it's another 2-in-1 pattern, which is super great. Another one, this next one can be done really quick, so if you're looking for something that's really quick and small, easy to do for like farmers markets or pop-ups, this one is probably good for you. These are just little froggies, and it's kind of just like a little blob of a frog, so they're really cute too though. Alright, so this next one, again, if you're not from Japan, you know you don't watch too much little Japanese cartoons or whatever. This one is Sumikkogurashi tapioca dango, and this one is really cute. It's kind of like another form of the froggy one that we covered earlier in the video, but except this one is sideways and the faces are a little going sideways. It's not a frog. Anyways, this next one is really popular here in Japan, and it is Miffy. He's kind of just like a little character here. It's just a little white bunny, but This one is super cute, and it honestly sells really good here, so it'll probably do good wherever else you do. This next one is super cute for like maybe Easter, but it's just a little chicken with a little leaf on his head. Super cute. This next one is, this one might be a little more advanced. If you're not a beginner, this one might be for you, but it's just a little hamster parfait. It's super kawaii type of thing, and I don't know, I would definitely like to try this one out myself. This next one is very beginner friendly, and it's just a little sunflower little type of person, and this one is super cute. I think this one is something that would do really well for like selling wise, maybe. This next one is great for Valentine's again. These are just little snails, and I have seen people do these little snails and add like hearts on the side of them. Really cute. This next one again is another Miffy, but it's not the entire body, it's just the head. So this one will probably be really easy and faster to work up. This next one is super cute, and they don't say it here, or actually they do, never mind. This one is a Korilakkuma or Korilakkuma free pattern, and it's just so freaking cute. I love the little button that they add in the middle. If you don't want to add it, you don't have to add it. Without the button, it still looks so much like the actual character itself. This next one is, if you crochet, you definitely have seen this before, but it is the infamous little bee. So many people have done these. They do them really small or like with chunky. I think personally they look better using chunky yarn, so you might want to use that. This next one is another little dango pattern, but this one is, I don't think they say what specifically it is, but it is just supposed to be like a little bear, like the mouth of a bear, and then inside it's a little dango, like if he's eating it. So I think that's super cute. This next one is, oh my gosh, I fell in love with this one. It's probably my favorite out of all of them, but it is a little duck and a frog. They're both on a leaf pad, and if you take a closer look, the freaking duck is holding the frog and the frog is holding the freaking duck. It's just like the cutest little duo to have on your desk or like your little office setup. I don't know, I fell in love with that one. This next one is a little sea otter, and I think it's super cute because like you can just lay it out flat, and you know how usually they're just like this in the water or whatever. So I don't know, it just looks really cute. I think I would probably try to like squish it and like as flat as I could and not as squishy, maybe, to make it make more sense as like a sea otter. But this last one is super basic, and I think it's probably, if you're a beginner and you're trying to get in the hang of making amigurumis that like where you have to do one side, cut, tie off, and then do the other one and join multiple pieces, I feel like this one would be something really great to start off with because it's a bigger piece. It's not something smaller, because I feel like the smaller the piece, the harder it is to actually work things together. The bigger the piece, the easier it is to see your stitches, and so if you're a beginner, this one I feel like I definitely recommend it. But it's just a regular little bear cub, the simplest of the simplest, but it definitely helps you get your techniques down if you're a beginner. Alright everyone, that is it for all of my Instagram free patterns. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know down below. I would definitely love to make another video and help you guys get more cute patterns. If you guys have any ideas for specific types of patterns that you guys would be down for saving or have been looking for recently over on Instagram, let me know. I will put them all down together for you all. And yeah, with that being said, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!